A platypus? Parry the platypus!
Welcome back, guys. Today we're taking a look at the Platypus license plate mount from CravenSpeed. Now this is a semi-universal type of mounting kit, meaning it's not vehicle specific but should work in most vehicles. As long as you got enough room in the front grille to mount it, you should be good to go. I'm going to be mounting it in a Toyota Tacoma, so we're going to take a look at what's in the box and how to install it. Alright, so starting out, ordered from Amazon, came next day, super fast shipping, great. Only complaint is, this is the box it shipped in, which seems a little weird, but I guess it got here fine. Opening it up, you've got your nice little card from CravenSpeed. I will say I did email them before ordering just to see if anyone had mounted it to a Tacoma before, and they were super helpful. But contents wise, you're looking at the main mounting bracket, which is 12 gauge powder coated steel. You've got your inside mount, also equally tough and stout. You've got two mounting bolts, nicely secured in the box, which is cool. And then we've also got a little bit of more hardware inside. So let's get it all out and we'll take a look at it. Quick parts list, you got your main bracket, 4 stubby bolts for mounting the license plate to the bracket. You've got your mounting bracket, 2 sets of hardware that'll go straight through. That's 1 long bolt, a directional washer, one side's conical, one side is flat, and the arm that'll actually reach through the grill. You're going to take your larger bolt, which will connect the 2 brackets, and an optional 1/4 inch spacer in case you want the plate to sit a little bit above the grill. Alright, so we're outside with the mounting bracket all put together. The 2 long bolts and the 4 stubby bolts are all going to be a 5/32 Allen key. And then your center bolt, the bigger stubby bolt, is going to be a size 15 ratchet. As far as mounting goes, you're going to stick your bracket in, have them go sideways, and then as soon as you get through the grill, you're going to slide them so they're facing down, and then you're going to slowly tighten those up until they grip nice. So we'll come back when that's done. Alright, so we got the mounting bracket in place. Keep in mind you are mounting to plastic, so don't go super hard, but there is a little bit of foam back there, so you can snug it up pretty firm. As you can see, it's not going anywhere. But next up, we are going to put our center bolt in loosely, and if you wanted to put that optional spacer in, this would be the time to do it, but I'm not, so we're going to put it in loosely, and we'll come back with the plate. Okay, so now that we got our center bolt on, you simply slide the plate on into the notch, set it down a little bit, and then you're going to tighten it up with the ratchet. And this you can go a little bit harder on because it is metal on metal, so just snug it up. And you see she's not going anywhere. Next up, we'll put the plate on and get our 4 stubby bolts on, and that should be a done job. Quick wrap-up video. We got our 4 stubby bolts in, nice and secure, sturdy. It's not going anywhere. It'll shake the grill before it comes loose. As far as clearance, that's what you're looking at. I didn't go with the spacer, but if you wanted an extra 1/4 inch, you can do that. Other than that, nice and sturdy. No complaints overall. You got room for the vent. Only thing slightly hesitant on is the price. I think it was $100, but considering there's nothing else really like it on the market right now, I'd say this is your best bet. Any questions, leave them in the comments, and thanks for watching.